surface area of a right triangular prism, section 4.4, page 188, by Haley and Amber.
So first of all, before we get started, you need to be able to multiply, add, and find the areas of triangles, rectangles, and squares. It's very crucial that you know how to do that before you start. Alright? So now Amber's going to explain all the steps and show you an example.
Okay, so the first thing you need to do is that you need to take a 3D object and turn it into a 2D object. Just like so. And then, in the textbook, it has the different measurements. So then, you just write down the measurements. Like at first. The triangles are 4 centimeters by 5. The side is 8 by 4. And the other one is just practically the same thing for this one. And in the middle, it's 3. And so then, next, what you do is that you go 4 times 5 divided by 2. Or if you want, you can do 1/2 times 5 or times 4. Like so. And that'll get you 6. And so for the bottom triangle, you just do the same thing that you did for the top. And so then you get another 6. Next thing that you do is that you take 8 times 4, and that gets you the surface area of this one and this one. And 8 times 4 equals 32. And so for the final, finding the area step, you take 8 times 3, and that gets you 24. So then after that, you take all the new surface areas, and then you just add them all. 6 plus 6 plus 24 plus 32 plus 32. And then that just equals 100 centimeters squared. And now Haley is going to show you a little bit more tricky example.
So with this one, you do the exact same steps, except with bigger numbers. So you take the 3D object, you take the 3D object, like this, and you turn it into a 2D object. And this one is going to look a lot like the other example, just different numbers. Like this. Okay? So then, the measurements, they are...
Don't erase it! Don't erase it! Don't erase it! Don't erase it!
20 by 30. Okay. Then 25 is the base. And then the height is 12. Alright? And then this is 15. And then this side is 15. Okay? So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna find the area of the triangle first. So you do base times height divided by 2. Or 1/2 times 12 times 25. And that equals 150. But you do that twice because it's the exact same down here. So do that twice. Equals 150. Alright? So then you have the 2 up there. So now we're going to find the area of this rectangle, which is 20 times by 30. So you do 20 by 30, and that equals 600. So now for the middle one, you take 25 by 30, and that is equals 750. Okay? So now, and then we do this one, which is 30 by 15, and that equals 450. Alright? So now that we have all of the measurements and the areas, we have to add them all together. So we do 150 plus 150 plus 600 plus 750 plus 450. Alright? So then we add those all together, and then that equals 2,100 centimeters squared. And then that is your area that you get. Alright? So I hope this helped with all of the math that you might be doing with this, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.
Bye.